Sorry, Kay. Well, I like her dancing. Hi! Your name is Alex. My name is Alex. Let's do that. I really see so Hi, Jerry. Hello, my Jerry. Lemon red. Jerry. What's up, Jerry? Thumbs up. Can you give the thumbs up? Madi. One time. I will be there before Christmas. Why? Where are you going here? You're playing, Jerry. But so bad. Trying to stop raining now. Goodbye. Oh my God. Hey, superpower girl. Super. Rock your body. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What happened to the red and black? What happened to the red and black? Super. The red and black. That was cool on your short. Rock your body. Yeah, rock your body. Yeah. You change back. Thank you, 19 people. body. Ay, kulay. Thank you, Golden. Wag your body. Oh, wag your body. Wag your body. My God. Hello to the most beautiful one. Hi. Trap and bar. Hi. No more team now. Golden, no more team now. Are we drawing you now? No more team now. I'm telling your smile is magical. Jamie, thank you. Thank you for joining. Rock your belly. Rock your belly. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god. It's a perfect day to run and play in the rain. Chirping bird, hi. What did you say? No more team here now. He will not join here. Okay, funny. What? Oh my god, yeah. Because it's my fault. Maybe I'm a bad. Yeah. No, you're not. Yes, I am. It's just my fault. Maybe found someone better than me. Not like me. I'm crazy. Not misunderstanding. It's the right decision. I was looking at the picture you put online. Oh my god, that picture you look amazing. How did you do that? How you did that? Oh, huh? Not misunderstanding. It's his right decision. And me too. I agree with that. It's fine. Oh my god. Um, sakit. Hi, sakit. Sakit. Hello, sakit. Thank you for 39 people here. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you for joining. Don't let a little dumb thing happen. Not a dumb. It's a good and right decision. I think it's a wise. It's a wise decision. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Di masu di masapotra. Hi. Sakit. Masakit. Thank you, 31 people. Thank you so much. 36, thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sakit. Mommy, you can go for Thank you for watching me here, guys. Thank you so much. You're too hot for everyone here. Oh my god, I'm not. I'm not. Thank you for 31 people. Thank you so much. I know I will say. Thank you for the heart. Someday, make sure that what you really want, talk it out. That's over. What? It's a last chance. A last chance. I need to decide because no regret in the future. It's fine. We have so many fight before, a lot, so it's enough. It's enough. What happened? Raining here. Have a type on here. Hope finish raining here. Not. No school today. You must be tired. It's kind of late. You break up with lover. Hello, hi, hi. Somebody din mamasalita. Gagaling. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Golden. No, adang. No, or dang. What it means. No, or dang. What is that? I can't sleep because having a typhoon here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's the wind. Oh, scary. Scary. 34 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Up, 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 up. You're having more rain. Yeah, having more rain. Please, 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 I'm begging you, don't pick up. Oh my god, Jamie. Thank you for the thank you for the thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god, Jamie. Hmm. I will come back again next week. Maybe by then you will wake up with what? What? Oh my god. Stop before you get blocked. I like when you're happy. Please don't be sad. How often you do something? Huh? Thank you for that people. Oh, calm down, moderator. It's just innocent fun. Well, thank you for joining here. Oh my god. I've Golden, are you still here? I want to see something. Hi, Benjamin. You're going to it. Do you have tummy ache? Oh my god. I think the room is. Golden, are you still here? You know what Golden Tim said when decided to, you know, he said, oh by the way, Cheryl, it's Golden is he go with Golden because I know he likes you and you like him. Oh my god. I don't argue with them because oh my god. You I want to say I want to say them that oh my god, Golden is younger than me. How oh my god. I don't want to argue. So that's why I know that's why I'm silent. I stay silent. There is no way I could talk woman as hot as her into being a plain woman. But it's fun too. But it's fun to. The first, no, it's nothing like than telling. The first time I saw you, I thought that I stumbled into heaven because you look like an angel. Definitely the place for me is here. Hi, Michael. Welcome back here. No, it's nothing. Screenshot if screenshot it if you like. I'm just so nice, everyone. Yeah, me too. I'm nice to everyone that's here. I know I'm talking people just here, so not in private. Oh my god, maybe you misunderstand me because that's the best I playing. Maybe they get serious, so maybe when I said I'm going to shower, then you make a joke. Can I go with you or something like that? I'm just playing that time. So he said, you think I'm like shower with you? Oh my god. I think I need to know me more. So, but it's okay. It's his opinion, so it's fine. You guys are cool people. I'm just so nice to everyone. Yeah, sing too. Yeah, but it's happened. It's just happened, but it's fine. We need to know the people. Yep. It's okay to play on the YouTube, but if you talk to subs privately, that's when trouble starts. Yeah, that's right. I absolutely agree with some very thing. I'm here on YouTube because I need to monetize my channel and I want to, I want to earn money. That's why I need to reach the goal for the extra money. So why here? Because I have a purpose just to earn money. To need to monetize my channel. That's it. Else, because many subs want in your pants, not me. Of course, I'm an oh my god. Wait. Shut up. Jay. Hi Jay. Just call in. There's nothing going on, sure. It's fine. That's not the big. It's not a big deal. It's not the issue, but it's additional. It's additional to make mistakes, but it's not. It's fine. That's not the issue. The first, if it start, it's not you starting the issue, but it's fine. It's okay. Get out. I'm here because not because of others or anyone else, but because of for my goal here. And hello, though. And he knows that why I'm here. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I think we all do. Yeah. So maybe I need to. I'm not going back when we met before, but I change. And maybe I need to change to grow more. Lesson learned. It's probably hard to him because you're so attractive. So easy. You have lots of. Waiting the woman there's lots of options. Better than me. Lots woman. Maybe more than 18. The way I look at it, you are a business woman and you have a lot of people to take care of. And I know you love to help and you love to help people. I love to help people, but I need I need more stuff. That not it. Take the call. Hmm? Call. It's not. Oh my god. Who's that? Stunning, who's that? Your pawn going. No one looks like you though, or acts like you. Thank you. Oh, shut up. Thank you for the 17 people. Oh my god. Thank you for the 20 people here. Tell me who's that girl? Again in your hands. Who's that girl? Dun, 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 dun. Nobody better than you, Mike. What the heck? Yo. Thank you so much for joining me here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the luckiness and faithfulness. Hit them like. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My God. Shut up and dance with me. Sorry. What it feels. What have you been doing? Me? I always smash the like. Oh my god. Um, you're on the live again. Yeah, I'm in the live. I need to do live to reach watch hours because I can't sleep. Thank you for the 22 people. 18 million here now. Go watch her video to chat. Thank you so much. Oh my god, the weather again, the storm, the typhoon. Crazy weather going. Yeah, crazy weather. You are very beautiful. And I like to hear you say, Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. I fell. I do live again tomorrow. Hope you join. But ready. Everybody in bed but you. There is already sleeping, but me, I wide awake. You know you pronounce my name perfectly. Okay, thank you. I need to end the live now. I need to feel going to sleep. I do like tomorrow. Hope you join. Bye. Love you all. It's your voice. Ow.